In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Monday.com time tracking easier with a comprehensive step-by-step guide. Whether you're an individual trying to keep tabs on your hours or a manager overseeing a busy team, these tips are designed to streamline your workflow and make time tracking a breeze on Monday.com. Let's begin with adding a time tracking column to your board. First, navigate to your preferred board. This could be titled something like Project Tasks or Client Work. Here, you'll want to click on the plus add column button. From the list of column options, select Time Tracking. Once added, feel free to rename it to something that suits your needs like Hours Spent or Work Log. With this in place, each item or task on your board can now have its time recorded by any team member involved. Now it's time to actually track those hours. You have two methods, manual tracking or adding time manually. For manual tracking, simply click into the time tracking cell of the specific task you're working on and press play to start the timer. Once you complete your task, click stop. Monday.com will automatically log the time entry for you. If you forget to start the timer, don't worry, you can add time manually. Just click the plus icon inside the cell, enter the duration, something like 1H30 unsum, and add any relevant notes, such as design edits for client. To better organize your data, you can group time by team member or project. By clicking the Group By button at the top of your board, you can choose to organize by person, giving you a clear view of each team member's log time. Alternatively, you can group by project or client, providing a straightforward summary of total hours per job. This step will help you gain quick insights without the hassle of sifting through every task individually. Embrace automation to reduce manual work. Go to Automate and click on Add New Automation. Consider recipes like starting time tracking when a task status changes to working on it, stopping when it switches to done, or notifying a manager if an item's time exceeds 8 hours. Such automations will help you manage time without constant manual input. For those who like visual aids, adding a time tracking dashboard widget can be invaluable. On your dashboard, click plus Add Widget. Select the Time Tracking widget and choose the board and columns you want to display. This widget will visually represent total time per project, person, or date range, making it ideal for client billing or performance reviews. Exporting your time data is straightforward too. Find the three-dot menu at the top right of your board and select Export Board to Excel. You can use Excel's robust tools like formulas or pivot tables to slice and dice your data however you need. For automatic syncing, consider integrating Monday.com with Excel directly. Finally, explore time tracking integrations for more sophisticated options. Whether it's Clockify for advanced reporting and invoicing, 7Pace Time Tracker for software teams, or Harvest for time and expense tracking, you can enhance your Monday.com experience by navigating to integrations, selecting Add Integration, choosing your tool, and connecting your account. With these strategies, time tracking on Monday.com can become more efficient, saving you and your team valuable time while increasing productivity. Let's put them into practice.